Hey YouTube, here's the second box of Premier. Last box pulled that sick Don Mattingly triple jersey auto, number 2. Number 2, what was it, number 20? It was number 20. So we got one pack here. Looking for some nice Yankee stuff. Okay, so to start off, we have a Matt Holliday base card, number 5/5. We have a Jonathan Malone rookie signature, number /75. And for the Phillies, we have a triple jersey of Chase Utley, Cole Hamels, and Jimmy Rollins, number 2/9. We have a patch card of Frank Thomas, numbered 49/75. We have our manufactured patch card of Chipper Jones, first overall pick, 1990. Oh my God! Oh my God! A Jim Edmonds bat barrel, numbered 1/3. Holy crap. Oh my. Oh, and a John Lackey autograph, number 15/25. So look at that Jim Edmonds. Oh, look at that bat barrel. That is absolutely sick. 1/3, it says Edmonds right on it. Oh, sheesh. Recap of these boxes later.